Okay, winter in Finland. Deep, deep snow out here. This is the place where I usually walk the dog, but it's just so deep, the snow, that freezes little nuts off if you came out in this. That it's -10 this morning, and it's been snowing overnight. Saturday morning, just looking at tracks in the snow, what we're finding here. Some bird tracks, but no dog tracks, so people aren't walking along this path. Yeah, this is called, the Japanese would call this forest bathing. They have done research in Japan that walking outside in the forest is good for you. It reduces your stress levels. It lowers your blood pressure. It produces good hormones and endorphins, so that you feel a lot better. They have a name for it. It's called Sinrin-yoku. You can go onto the internet and find out about it and what you're supposed to do when you're forest bathing or walking in the forest. You're supposed to use all of your senses. Touch. I'm not going to be touching anything. It's -10. You should listen. You hear that crunch, crunch of the snow under my feet. I have to bend down here and go under this. What else can you hear? Perhaps some traffic away in the distance. Other than that, it's pretty silent. Smell. What do you smell? Well, the air is very, very pure. Very fresh. When it gets around about 21 below or something like that, then that cold air going into your lungs isn't all that good. -10. You don't feel any pain or anything like that when you're breathing. Can't really smell anything. Just clean air, that's all. Seeing, well, the forest in winter like this is just a sight to behold, especially after the snow has fallen and all the fir trees are just laden down with snow. And there's just a certain beauty about trees covered with snow. And these Japanese forest bathers, they're encouraged to just stop and look at their surroundings and observe movement of leaves, movement of water, rustle of the leaves, ripples of the water, movement of the clouds in the sky, just making observations as to what is happening around you. But this is a grey day. There's no clouds to be seen in the sky. There's no wind. The branches aren't moving. The snow is just on the branches and not moving at all. Let's go down to the field and see what's down there. To see if we'll be surprised. There's two roads, little B road, and also a major trunk road, the E12, and beyond that is the railway, which is running between Kouvola and Lahti. So this is us coming down onto some big field area. Now you can turn around and show you the roads. It would be nice to get a train going past as well. There goes a train, you see it over there. Most likely it's an enormous train, do you see it? Let's see if I can see it. There's two of them going now. A small pendolino going to Lahti and a big freight train going to Russia, kicking up lots of snow from the tracks. Pity I can't zoom in on it. Whoa. That's it, gone. Snow plough going past there. But once you come down here and come out of the forest, then traffic sounds are more audible. But let's turn around now. Looks like there's a little, I'm standing on a little ski track here. But over there behind me is the little roads, or the two roads, the E12 and the B road. And I can hear the traffic. So it's much nicer to be in the forest where there's no sound. Anyway, that's a little view of how much snow we have here in Finland at the moment, and a little walk in the forest. So I hope you enjoyed it. Over and out.